Hey, how are you doing? You feeling better? Hey, show everybody how good you feel. Say hi, everyone. Say, I feel so much better. What is that? What is that? Do something cute. Show everyone how you like to hide under the blanket. Oh, you did it just a minute ago. You did it just a minute ago. Oh. Hey. Gwendolyn. Working those claws. Hey. 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 Gonna give up being cute? Oh no! You're supposed to show everyone how good you feel. Look at those fierce paws working. Fierce paws. Quinn, are you fierce? Are you mighty? Do your little flop. Do your flop. All right, maybe later. Say goodbye. Say goodbye.